Hi class, this is Sister Dorman. I had a request to just quickly talk about capitalization. So the information I'm giving you is coming from this website produced by Purdue. And so I'm just going to talk through it with you just a little bit. So the simplest way to explain capitalization is that you capitalize words that are formal. So, for example, let's look at this situation. The formal word for a person is their name. So this example is, I think Harrison Ford is in that movie. You're going to capitalize the word Harrison Ford. Now, if we replace this with something general like an actor, I think an actor is in that movie. Since the word actor is not the formal name of a person, then we don't capitalize it. But we do capitalize the formal name of Harrison Ford. Okay? So let's go. I think this example can be confusing to people. Right here you say, the course was taught by Professor Johnson. We capitalize the word professor because it's placed before the official or formal name of the teacher. And then in this example, the second one, it says, when I was a kid, I thought I wanted to be a doctor, but I became a professor instead. If you notice in this example, doctor and professor are not capitalized because they are general names of professions. Now, if it were going to say Dr. Smith, then we capitalize it, okay? And the same applies to places. If it's a formal place like a city and a state, then you capitalize it. Or if I say Africa, then we capitalize Africa because it's the formal name of a continent. If I just said a continent, then we don't capitalize it. Okay? Anyway, so the summary is that you capitalize formal names of things. For example, right here, you do not capitalize South or desert, and when it's general, okay? Okay, right here. These are capitalized because they're specific. My research paper is the Vietnam War. If you're just talking about, oh, I'm doing a research paper about war, you don't capitalize war because it's not specific. But in this case, you do capitalize it because you're talking about a specific war. Okay? We can continue this discussion on when to capitalize things on the discussion board, questions and answers. So I'll go ahead and put a link to answer questions about this. But anyway, I think that this website does a good job. The one that BYU Idaho gives you this week about capitalization, I think it's okay to use to study, but it doesn't show both sides, when to capitalize it and when not to capitalize it. So I think using this website is a better option. Anyway, in summary, capitalize the official names of words. Okay? So we'll talk to you later. Have a great day.